made it. Hodges Creek in Tortola, and here's the boat. 450 Lagoon. Naughty Dreams 2. Let's check it out.
Far down to paradise, at least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, you can sail away.
All right, left Hodges Creek. We're on our way to Northern Island. That way. Panorama again of Cooper Island. What a great name for a place, don't you think? Cooper Island. Cooper Island. Beautiful day, gotta love it here in paradise. BVI, Cooper Island.
Right, you can find the joy of innocence again. Oh, the candles can do miracles. Just you wait and see.
Cooper Island. Is this tranquil or what? Good morning, day 2. We're starting our adventure, sailing, raising the main. Leaving Cooper Island, headed toward Virgin Gorda, the Baths. Danny's boat, under sail. Very nice. Going for a safari ride, Virgin Gorda to the Baths. Here we go. Here we go. Top of the Baths. We're going to have a little bit of lunch, and then we're going to hike down the trail and snorkel amongst all these boulders that go down to the sea. Virgin Gorda, Baths.
I think it's the best of me when I'm sailing. Every word is a symphony, won't you believe me?
Beautiful baths, and now we're going to take a little hiking trail to Devil's Bay. You got to go through these little rock formations, little tunnels. Look at that. Here goes the hike. The trail came from this way, and now there's a little rope ladder where you rappel down a little bit, and the trail goes on. So after meandering through this narrow trail, we come out to this. Very pretty. Devil's Beach. We are headed to a copper mine in Virgin Gorda.
Copper mine, and this was built in the 1800s by the Cornish miners, and I think this little plaque will give you some information.
Good morning, day 4, Saturday, and we are in Virgin Gorda, Spanish town. Virgin Gorda Yacht Harbor.
Not for me. And if the wind is right, you can sail away and find serenity. Oh, the candles can do miracles. Just you wait and see.
Here's the crew. We are grabbing a mooring pole. Save a rock. 1 acre island. Save a rock. The dock, Saba Rock. Very cool. Look at us. We went around Saba Rock. We're on the other side now. Even the birds are cheering us. See that? We have arrived at the bitter end. The Bitter End Yacht Club here is a truly high-end resort, quite exclusive, really, really nice. This is what paradise is all about. Bitter End Yacht Club. And the pool bar. We're going to swim, cool off, have some drinks. Oh yeah. Okay, it's kayak time. We are kayaking, that's right. The Bitter End, where it is kayak time, right?
Bitter end,
It's not for me. And if the wind is right, you can say.
Hey everybody, how's dinner? It's video. Hey.
It is delicious.
Good job.
Awesome. ZD on a boat. ZD on a boat. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. ZD on a boat.
We both
Oh,
did
you
it.
both did. Okay,
Outstanding.
Good job.
It's not far to Never Never Land.
So we grabbed onto a mooring pool at Leverick Bay. Here we are. beautiful Ledrick Bay. Back that ass! Ledrick Bay, we are kayaking. Look how pretty the water, the colors. We're gonna hang out at Ledrick Bay for the afternoon, do a little beaching, pool, and then here they go. Ledrick Bay. Little 360 action here, huh? Okay, 360 time. Ledrick Bay. Restaurant down there. It's beautiful water. Colorful Hobie cats, little houses, nice beachfront. Ledrick Bay.
It gets the best of me.
Sunset time, happy hour time. We're getting ready to order some dinner here. Ledrick Bay. Here we go. There's our sunset.
Every word is a symphony. Won't you believe?
Here we are on Monday, day 6. We are headed to Joost Van Dyke and we are under sail. Beautiful islands, Virgin Gorda. They're headed to Joost Van Dyke. We're tacked downwind. Isn't that awesome? Here we are now, the front of the boat. Look how nice this is. Beautiful panorama. We're on the way to Joost Van Dyke. Here's a lazy ass crew. This is their site. Look, there's the view. Not bad, eh? Joost Van Dyke. How pretty. Here we're passing Sandy Key. Sandy Key on the way to Joost Van Dyke. Look how pretty, huh? Sandy Key. Here we are anchoring in White Bay. Joost Van Dyke, a little 360 action. Nice. White Bay, Joost Van Dyke. We're beaching it. Pretty sight, huh? Look at the color of the water here, the waves lapping. We brought that kayak ashore here. White Bay.
Just you wait and see.
The sun's starting to set in White Bay. Beautiful, beautiful Joost Van Dyke, White Bay. And we found our dinner spot, beachside, right here. One Love Bar and Grill. Gotta love it, One Love. We'll have some dinner and head back. All right, the sun is setting here in White Bay.
I know.
And we are feasting. Wahoo.
I prefer ribs.
Day 7, Tuesday morning, White Bay, Joost Van Dyke. We're headed to Great Bay, Foxy's, and then over to Sopper's Hole for lunch, snorkeling at the Indians, and the Bight Norman Island for Anchorage at night. Hang up to a mooring pole right here at Foxy's. Joost Van Dyke, Foxy's. And we are off. We're dinging it. Yay! To Foxy's. Bravo. Foxy's, here we come, baby. Passport, where are we?
We're in Great Harbor.
Great Harbor. Hey, no wonder.
Well, it's not far down.
Little 360 at Foxy's. Nice and peaceful here. Foxy's. Joost Van Dyke.
Find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see.
Left Pussers in Sopper's Hole, and we are headed out to the Indians, Norman Island. Yay! Sister boat. Here's our crew. Hey guys. A little crazy, but all good. We are about to snorkel the Indians. They say to go clockwise. We're going to go in through these rocks here, go all the way around. Here's our sister boat, Oriana. The Indians.
Takes me away to where I always heard it. Just a dream in the wind that carried me. Soon I will be free. Fantasy.
The Indians from Pelican Island, and we are headed to Norman Island, Kelly's Cove, near the Bight, known for Willie T's, the floating schooner, black schooner there, Willie T's. Sunset here, huh? Norman Island, Virgin Islands, BVI. Yeah, we're just talking about this Nernia.
Jeff had a Nernia.
The Nernia.
Yeah, before my Nernia, I had about a 3.
Hey, from Norman Island, there's our sunset. Yay! Willie T's. So today is Wednesday, day 8. We are at the caves just outside Norman Island. We're going to go snorkeling right inside those caves there. Another beautiful day, Virgin Islands. To Kelly's Cove. This pretty, right near the bite, Norman Island. There's our little dinghy. There's Kelly's Cove, another snorkeling spot. We're at Kelly's Cove. We're not snorkeling. No, we're eating. There's our little lunch buffet. Kelly's Cove, we got tuna, shrimp salad. Hey, we are sailing. Sailing, sailing, sailing. As Christopher Cross would say, sailing. We are headed to Peter Island, around the corner there, on the eastern side. Sail over there to Peter Island. Way yonder in the distance is the Seattle. So we're on our way, the final tack to Peter Island, Dead Man's Bay. Approaching Dead Man's Bay. Peter Island, Dead Man's Bay. We are entering Dead Man's Bay. Look how pretty the colors are. There's the witness, Peter Island, Dead Man's Bay. Look how peaceful, just our group here. There's our little kayak. We're just hanging out, chilling, Dead Man's Bay. End of a beautiful day at Peter Island, watching the sunset here. Look at that sky. Peter Island. Hello everyone, here's dinner, Dead Man's Bay. We've got chicken, yummy yummy. Good morning, day 9, Wednesday morning. We're at Peter Island and we're headed for a nice long sail today to Trellis Bay, just north of Beef Island, on the island of Tortola over there. Looks like another beautiful day for sailing, the BVI. Crew, hey babe, enjoying the breezes. All good, BVI. So, nice beautiful day. 180 after sailing. Into the clearing. The dogs, we are catching a mooring ball at the dogs. We're getting the mooring ball at Great Dog. Hot diggity dog.
Never bad reason to pretend. And if the wind is right, you can find the joy.
Lady Barber is cooking the please. Robin with her salad. Being healthy? Yeah. Here's lunch. Lunch at the dogs. All good here. And look, this is our view. Sail Caribbean, Oriana, and the dogs. Trellis Bay, northeastern coast of Tortola. Trellis Bay. Coming up. Look how nice and easy this is. Trellis Bay, there's the last resort, which they're rebuilding. It's closed now. Trellis Bay. We're dinghying it to Trellis Bay. Loose Mongoose. Captain Jose. Happy hour, woo! Dinghying ashore at the Loose Mongoose. That's where we're getting our Wi-Fi. Loose Mongoose. That's what I call service, see? Captain brings us, he walks us into the dock. That's how we dock here in Trellis Bay, eh? This is Trellis Bay at sunset. Look how pretty. The dinghy docks are here. There's all the boats out on the mooring balls. Trellis Bay. Good morning, day 10, our last day, and we're setting course for Marina Key, our last stop before our home base of Hodges Creek. Capo Lee, Captain Lee.
Am I aiming for the edge of that left mountain?
Yeah, we're going to go around this.
Our final stop on our final day is Marina Key, where we had a great lunch at Pusser's. Thank you again, Jose and Barbara, for inviting us on this wonderful adventure.